Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to export animations from After Effects into Media Encoder to be compressed. So as you can see right here, I have a 10-second animation, and I want to export this to an MP4 that can be shared. And all I have to do is have this composition selected right here that I want to export. I can go to Composition drop-down right here and do Add to Render Queue. Now when I do that, this shows up and I get these settings right here to set, including the output module and then the file name and where I want to put it to and everything. This is all kind of complicated, but there's an easier way. All I have to do is hit this button right here, Queue in AME, which means it's Adobe Media Encoder. Now when I hit that button, this happens. Media Encoder opens up and it adds the composition to the queue right here. Now the default output is H.264 match source high bit rate, and that's perfect. It exports as an MP4. Don't worry about this at all. This MP4 format works perfectly well in YouTube, Vimeo, on Apple computers, and also Windows computers. So this is the default output. It's a great compression. You click this link right here to set your output, where you want the actual file to go. I'm going to put it in here. Hit save. So now the file path is set, and I just hit the play button right here, and it starts compressing right out of After Effects into Media Encoder. You can see how this is starting to set up right here, and then you'll watch the preview of the actual file as it gets made, so you can see it moving a little bit. And then this gives you the elapsed time of compression and then the remaining estimate of time until it's complete. Now it's done. I click this link right here. It takes me to the finished file, and there we go. And the file is 6.5 megabytes. It's a 1080 HD MP4 at 10 seconds long. It's a really great manageable file size for the quality that you get, and there is no messing around with settings. And there it is. Thank you.